Good morning and welcome to Muscle Car Garage. Today, Darren and Dom, they're going to be pulling this engine out of this 86 Iroc. As you can see, it's seen its better days. Dom, show them what happens when you have a car just laying around. All the leaves start to grow in there. You can see it's all rusty in here. The car had a little fire here at one time. You can see that, there's signs of a fire. So once this engine is out, they're going to take it, they're going to clean all this out, they're going to blow all of this out, they're going to detail the engine compartment, make it nice and clean. And in that crate right there, there's a brand new engine that's going to go into this nice Iroc here. I'll show you the engine. Engine's equipped with 5-tank fuel injection. It's a small block Chevy. That's going to be going into that Camaro 228. Big difference from the dinosaur that's in there right now. Come on over. Another job that we're doing is on this Oldsmobile. This is an Oldsmobile 442 W30. This is the engine that's going to be going in it. The engine was completely redone. Once we get the rest of the parts, we're going to be dropping it in this 1970 442. So if you have any work that you need done, call us at 973-758-8944. Have a good day.